Do you want dots that do not look pointy like this or messy like this one, and instead be able to make smooth darts like this? In today's video, I'm going to show you the tips and tricks you need to know to be able to sew perfect darts every time and take your sewing from beginner to experienced. Hi, my name is Matilda and welcome back to Miss Matti, the channel where I share DIY videos on sewing, knitting, mending and generally how to live an awesome and sustainable life. And if that sounds like something for you, please consider hitting the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will not miss any upcoming videos from me. In today's video, I will share with you how to sew the perfect darts. The trousers that I will sew the darts on are the Tatjana trousers from Just Patterns. Through the process of making these trousers, I also recorded videos on how to sew a front flare zipper, how to make and attach belt loops, and how to make a single welt pocket. I do not know in which order I will upload these videos, but once these videos are live, I will link them down in the description box down below. And now, without further ado, let's get into the process on how you can make perfect darts. First, mark your darts with tailor's chalk or another marking tool, and then pin along the marked line. I find it helpful to have markings on both the wrong and the right sides to ensure that I make the dart in the correct size. Start by sewing from the edge of the fabric towards the end of the dart. When you start to reach the end of the dart, slowly start to pivot, and when you are about to make the last stitch, pivot even more towards the folded edge so that your dart becomes the correct length no matter your stitch length. Do not fasten, instead leave long thread tails like this and cut them off. Then tie the threads. I also like to add a bit of thread check onto the knot. Now it's time to press. First, press the dart separately so that it gets a crisp fold. Then fold the dart towards the direction you want it to lay once you finish the garment, followed by gently pressing on top of the dart. Then use a tailor's hammer to press the dart into shape. Take your time to press to create a smooth and neat finish. And here you can see my smooth darts. And this is how my trousers turned out in the end. I hope you found this video helpful and that you will now be able to sew perfect darts every time without fail. And also, if you did find this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button. As I mentioned earlier, through the process of making this video, I also made videos on how to make and attach belt loops, how to sew a front flare zipper, and how to make single welt pockets. And once those videos are live, I will link them down in the description box down below, so you can check them out if you're interested. And if you like this video, you most likely will like these videos over here as well. And until next time, bye!